People are earning money online every day. But 90% of people just keep watching videos. Today, I'm going to show you the method people are using to earn. From home, just with their mobile phones. And this is not a scam. The name is Binance. But wait, if you don't watch till the end, you will miss the most important step where people make the biggest mistake and lose money. Assalamualaikum friends, I'm Osimaran Bro, and today we will talk about how real earning happens with Binance. In today's video, I will show 3 methods. Simple trading, P2P method, and a secret method that beginners use to reduce risk. But the third method I will not reveal in the middle. I will show it at the end, because that's the most powerful. First, understand why do people fail to earn from Binance? Because they start trading without knowledge. Follow some YouTuber's signal, and then they lose money. I'm going to show you the method where you can control risk. Screen recording plus face cam. First, open the Binance app. Go to the trade section. For example, let's choose the BTC USDT pair. The most important thing here, don't market buy without understanding. I'm showing you a simple strategy. Buy at support, sell at resistance. But wait, if you don't know support and resistance, don't trade, otherwise loss is almost certain. At the end, I will show how you can learn for free. Now, the second method, P2P. Here you directly buy and sell crypto with people. In Pakistan, people earn daily from here with a small profit margin. Example, if you buy 100 USDT and sell at a 1 to 2 rupee margin, you can generate stable daily profit. But remember, only deal with verified sellers. If you've understood so far, write in the comments, Binance Pro, so I know who is serious about earning. Now let's talk about the third method, which is best for beginners. It is Binance Earn. Here you can put your USDT in flexible earn and get daily interest. This gives more return than the bank, but still, risk is not zero. The crypto market can fluctuate anytime. What smart people do? They use only a small part for trading and keep the rest in earn. And